Hi guys, welcome back with me again in this channel. On today's video, I'm gonna show you how to make random aggressive shake effect with keyframes on CapCut. So here you just need to add the clip and just zoom it in like this. And now add keyframes at the start and also the end of the clip. Zoom the clip again on the last keyframe. Okay, now you can just add keyframe in between these two keyframes that you add and just move the clip in random direction. Okay, I'm going to just move it on the random direction like this. Okay, and then after that you just need to go to the video effects, opening and closing, then select the oblique blur effect. Okay, trim the effect and just add 3 keyframes on the effect like this. On the first keyframe, adjust the blur 100 and rotate only 8. And then the second keyframe, set the blur 100 and rotate 55. Okay, now the last keyframe, lower the blur to 0 and rotate 45. Okay, lastly you just need to add a fade out animation. Okay, add it for around 0.5 seconds. Click on a check icon and you are done. So this will be the result. Okay guys, so that's all from me. Thank you so much for watching. Please don't forget to subscribe, like this video, comment, and also click on the thanks button. Bye.